Support and resistance have often been considered beginner-level trading tools, but what if I told you there's an innovative way to use support and resistance levels that's far superior to the conventional method? Today, I'm going to introduce you to a strategy that utilizes previous session highs and lows as your key levels. What's great about this method is that you don't need to spend hours manually identifying these levels. We'll use a simple TradingView indicator to automate this process. Trust me, you'll want to stick around for this one because it's going to be a game changer. And no matter what trading strategy you want to pick from hundreds of them uploaded here in the Income Nomad channel, you can combine them with this method and enjoy trading. Let's dive right into it. The indicator we'll be using for this strategy is called Previous Highs and Lows created by LuxAlgo. If you're not familiar with TradingView, that's the platform I'll be using today. You'll find the link to sign up in the video description below. Once you signed up, load any trading security you prefer. For today's example, I'll be working with GBPJPY in a 15-minute time frame. Let's add the indicator. Click on the Indicators tab in TradingView, then type Previous Highs and Lows in the search bar. You'll see the version created by LuxAlgo, select that one. This tool is designed to automatically mark the highs and lows of previous price sessions within a time frame that you can customize. These levels are crucial in technical analysis because they often act as zones where prices may react, bounce, or reverse. Once the indicator is on your chart, you'll notice it creates horizontal lines representing the previous highs and lows. Red lines indicate the previous highs, while green lines show the previous lows. So far, so simple, right? But let's dig deeper. By default, this indicator pulls data from the daily time frame, showing the highs and lows for the past 4 days. You'll see numbers next to these lines indicating how far back each level goes. For instance, 0 represents today's high or low, 1 is yesterday, and 2 is the day before yesterday. These labels help you quickly identify the levels without second guessing. Now, what if you want to adjust the settings? You absolutely can. In the indicator settings, the first option is called Show Last, which determines how many past periods you want displayed. For example, if you only want to see the past 2 days instead of 4, you can change that here. Additionally, the indicator allows you to adjust the time frame frequency. It defaults to daily, but you could switch it to hourly, weekly, or even monthly, depending on your strategy. For this video, I'll stick with the daily time frame as it's the most commonly used. Next, you can tweak the area width, which changes the thickness of the support and resistance zones. There's also an option to filter the levels based on their position relative to the current price. For instance, you can configure to only display previous highs above the current price or lows below it, which can help you declutter your chart. Once your settings are dialed in, the indicator is ready to go. But there's one more step. To effectively use this strategy, we need another indicator for trend identification. The one I recommend is called 7EMA_5MA by Storewise. Add it to your chart and let's tweak its settings. In the Inputs tab, set the EMA lengths to 8, 13, 21, and 34. Then in the Style tab, disable all moving averages except for these 4. With this setup, trend identification becomes straightforward. When all 4 EMAs are stacked and the price stays consistently below them, it indicates a bearish trend. Conversely, if the price remains above the EMAs, the trend is bullish. Welcome aboard our crypto arc where dreams meet freedom. Join us on this journey as we empower crypto believers with knowledge and tools to achieve their goals. And guess what? We're just getting started in this world of endless possibilities. Click the link below to join us now. Enjoy 0 fees on spot trading for the first 30 days and a chance to win up to 30,000 USDT in deposit rewards. Established in 2018, Bybit is one of the fastest growing cryptocurrency exchanges committed to providing a professional, smart, and innovative trading experience. Join Bybit today and ride the wave of crypto success. Now let's talk about how to trade using this setup. Suppose you wake up ready to tackle the markets. You check your chart, and the indicator has marked the current day's high and low levels with dotted lines. These are dynamic and will be updated as the day progresses. If the price breaks and closes above the day's high and the EMAs confirm a bullish trend, that's your signal to prepare for a long position. But here's the critical part you don't enter immediately. Instead, you wait for the price to retest the breakout level. This retest is crucial because it confirms that the level has flipped from resistance to support. Once you see the price touch the breakout level and bounce back up, often marked by a green candle, you can confidently enter your trade. For a long trade, your stop loss will go below the retest candle and your take profit should be set at twice the risk. This gives you a 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio, which is solid for consistent profitability. But don't be too hasty. Just before the end of the video, I'll show you a way to make way more than that, plus how to automate it into a bot. Now, let's flip to the bearish side. Suppose the price breaks below the current day's low while the EMAs confirm a bearish trend. Again, you wait for a retest before entering a short position. The process is the same a red retest candle signals that it's time to enter. Place your stop loss above the retest candle and aim for a 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio. One thing to note, this strategy works best with the current day's highs and lows. Avoid trading based on levels from previous days, as they tend to be less reliable.
Unlock your trading potential with FundedX. If you're ready to elevate your trading game to new heights, look no further than FundedNext, the ultimate platform for promising traders worldwide. What sets FundedNext apart? Let me break it down for you. Say goodbye to trading under pressure. With FundedNext, you trade at your own pace with no deadlines hanging over your head. Enjoy the best trading conditions in the game. With FundedNext, you get raw spreads and the lowest commissions, ensuring every trade works in your favor. Don't miss out on this opportunity by clicking the link above or down in the description to be part of a dynamic community shaping the future of trading. The world of trading is yours for the taking. Seize it with FundedNext.
This strategy leverages automation and simplicity, making it accessible even for beginners. If you're interested, go ahead and try out the previous highs and lows indicator by Lux Algo on TradingView. And if you find unique ways to adapt this strategy, let me know in the comments below. As promised, here are the videos in which I taught you different methods of how to turn any trading strategy into a bot with alerts, plus more. That's it for today's video. If you found value in this strategy, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who might benefit. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.